Might make this a short video, probably over a minute to post this on my YouTube channel, but we're on a bad severe thunderstorm warning. It's lightning out there. I'll show you if I can. So I tried to see if I can switch it. I can't, but I'm just gonna flip the camera over and show you what is going on. So let me just, what if I can just switch it over? If y'all can see what's going on. Just wait. Oh! Yeah, that's what's going on. If you want a better experience, I can try to set it like that. Is this good? Can y'all see what's going on? Oh yeah, I see it on the reflection. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what's going on. It got even worse. And a lot worse. I don't know if there's like a reflection to the LEDs or anything, but I'm trying to cover it. I'm trying to cover it so y'all can see it better from my window. And shaking a bit. I'm just gonna let you guys watch this out for a bit. It's no tornado or anything, it's just a severe thunderstorm warning, but it's a mean one. It's a pretty mean one. Yeah, that's a mean boy. You can see more if you want. Here you go. Here you go. Let me just cover it up. You might be able to see more. There we go. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's what's going on. Apparently doesn't want to constantly do it anymore. Okay, I'm mistaken. But yeah, that's what's going on. And it might probably get worse from here. Maybe it'll start constantly going again whenever I end it. Ooh. Can y'all see that? So yeah. Switch it back over here. So yeah, that's what's going on. So bye-bye.